Okay guys, so this is going to be an unboxing slash review. An unboxing slash review of this alarm. So, before we get on to unboxing and reviewing this device, I'm joined by
Geek
and Simplex 4000. Yeah, Simplex 4008 Productions.
Geek.
Yep. So, what is this device? Well, looking at it closely, it looks almost like the box of my MS-2. And what do you know? It is an MS-2 as a matter of fact. But does that mean I got another second generation MS-2? Or does it mean I got a first generation MS-2 new in box? Yep, I got first generation new in box. And I take it out. I'm gonna have to, let's see. I'll set it right there. Don't want to damage the box too much, and all right. Take off this thing right here. Here it is. I got a first generation MS-2, and look, it has fire lettering on both sides. So here's my first generation.
What's the date code on it?
Good question. Let me see. Let's see what's in this packet, which might be fairly similar to my other first generation.
The date code on mine is August 20th, 2003.
A new FCI key. One that looks interesting.
And vintage. Looks vintage to me.
Oh yeah, it looks fairly vintage. And then we'll see the screws. And if we put in the key. Let's see. Looking for a date code. How did you find the date code? Just wondering.
The date code on mine is like this little sticker. It says mine was made in August 20th, 2003.
There's no sticker on this one, it looks like, so.
Check on the tag. Try to check out the tag on the inside.
Yeah, so I'm checking out. Let's see. No? Yeah. Yeah. I'll come back to that. So there's more in the box. I mean, that's it for the package. Packing, you see the screws, and this another FCI key, which looks much different than the one right here. This is my PK625 key, which came with my second gen MS-2. Okay, the box is actually kind of hard to open, so I apologize. Oops. Sorry, I'll set it right here again.
While on the topic of MS-2s, really the nice thing about them is when you activate them, when the switch is up, if you close it, it goes back down. It's pretty much like a BT12.
True.
That thing has to do with like this little metal piece on the inside that's right above the switch.
True.
Or it has to do with some.
So we got another pamphlet, which, let's see. Ooh! Is that what I think it says? I think that date code right there says it's 982. 1982.
1982. Oh, the 9 must indicate September 1982 or something.
Yeah. And I do remember these first generation MS-2s actually came out like sometime in the 80s, so this is a pretty old pull station for sure. So, let's just put that over there. And then I will pull it down for the first time.
For another FCI push station, pull station, get an MS-6.
That is the likely. Wow, this one's hard to pull. Wow.
Hashtag single pull, double throw.
This is
Why do you think it's harder to pull? Because it's older, and older pull stations are a lot stiffer to pull.
Wow, okay. The pull station just literally grab the
At
key.
least it's nothing. The good thing is, at least it's nothing like the Gamewell M69.
Let me see. Let me try to pull again. Wow, okay. Let me try to pull this up. Like this. Okay, let's see. There we go. Yeah. So, let's try to reset with this key. There. So, yeah. Let me try my other key and see if it works. My other PK625. Let's see. Oh well. But let's put it right next to my second generation. So you see the difference? This one has a bolder lettering, and this one has a much different lettering. And same goes to the fire as well on the sides. So, see if I can pull this down.
Oh, I would love to get a first generation one. I have a second generation.
Okay, now it's good to pull. Let's reset it. So again, like I said with my second generation MS2, MS2s are known for their notoriously stiff locks, and this one is no exception. This one actually has a...
I think I made note of the reason why the locks get stiff, because when you pull it, it takes a lot of pressure from the lock, and you literally have to like hold the pull station or push into the pull station to open it.
True. So now, just for heck of it, let's just see if this key works with my second gen MS2, and it does. Look at that. It's not 2 PK65 keys, and of course, this one's actually gotten much easier to pull over time. So I feel like over time the MS2s actually get much easier to pull. So. And this one. This.
I love these pull stations a lot.
Me too. The first generation MS2 is actually a bit more rare than the second generation MS2, surprisingly. Actually really rare if you get them new in box, like I did. Which is really nice, because now I actually have two new in box MS2s, a first gen and a second gen, so.
I got my MS2 new in box too.
Same here. So.
Except the little bit of a factory error, I got it in a simplex box.
Oh. Oops. So.
Or is that because Johnson Controls owns Tyco or something?
They do, as a matter of fact, so that could be another reason why. Let's see if this would key works. Yep, as I thought.
These things, something just to point out that these things also come in different brands too. FCI, Ansel, Johnson Controls.
Yep, there are many rebrands. Benwall's even rebranded these. There's been many rebrands, and then I think Nick or KCIN 556 has a really weird one made by Landis and Gyre in one of his videos I remember seeing. Just kind of strange.
What next? A Firelay rebranded MS2 or a Simplex rebranded MS2?
Yeah, so. That's basically it. So the review, these are good pull stations. Just beware of the notoriously stiff lock. And if you get one new in box, yeah. But once again, I'll pull it one last time, and there.
These pull stations are also made out of metal, so they're, I guess, they're meant for hazardous environments.
True. And there. I'll reset that later. My other MS2 that I have, which is now owned by CJ9899, is actually much easier than this one. But probably because that pole station was not new in box. So, a little note there, so.
Talk about getting older pole stations.
Yep. Yeah, here's my other pole station. Why not? There.
I don't know if it's just me or the lift cover makes it look like it's a hat for this thing.
Okay, there we go. I'll just reset both of these, and we'll end the video there. Okay, one last thing. Do I recommend these pole stations? As mentioned with the last MS-2, as mentioned with this MS-2 unboxing, these are great pole stations. I do recommend them. Just be very careful though with the stiff lock, because I've heard many instances where the key is broken because the lock is so dang stiff. So keep that in mind.
If you watch my videos, I normally give a scale on pole stations. If I were to give a scale on the MS-2, I would give the first generation a 4 and the second generation a 3.
Yeah. True. So yeah. With 3 being quite common and 4 being not common. So you said the first generation is a
4.
Yep, probably. Definitely 4, and this is probably a 3, which totally makes sense. So, yeah. So,
yeah, because these pole stations are starting to get rather rare now.
They are. They are getting rather rare.
Trust me. When I first started using eBay, I saw these things everywhere, and then all of a sudden they just disappeared.
True. That's happened with many alarms, as a matter of fact. It's just that over time they start getting more demanding, and now they're getting pretty rare. So, yeah.
Also, I think FCI stands for Fire Controls Incorporated, I believe.
Good thing to know. And yeah, it's true. Actually, more it says, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Expect to see this pole station fairly soon. As a matter of fact, this pole station is actually going to be used in System Test 50. So you just got basically a glimpse of the next pole station for System Test 50. And that's his FCI MS-2 second generation, which is right there. And there's his. So, once again, thank you guys for watching. And once again, I was joined by
Wheelock Geek
and Simplex 4008 Productions. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.